So this week we're doing the 5 mods I don't regret, and watch out for next week we'll be doing the 5 mods I did regret on the 75. Now these are going to be in no particular order. So first up we'll start with the interior. My favourite mod would probably be the head unit, which is usually I hate technology in these, but this is an exception because it gives you Apple CarPlay, so you connect your phone, you get your maps, your music, has it all there in front of you, makes things easier, see where you're going and stuff like that. So if you want an old car, but you want the technology of a new car, it's a perfect compromise because it gives you the up-to-date technology pretty much every new car has, or even a little bit better I've noticed. And all you need is a double-did head unit space, which pretty much any older car has. So just universal between pretty much anything. Also, they're not that ridiculously priced too. They're same as mine. I got the Sony head unit, and that was only about $400. But you can get a bit more fancier ones or cheaper ones. But which in comparison to the rest of the mods you're probably doing, bull bars, lift kits and all that, it's actually pretty cheap. Now on the outside I've got the steady spotlights, which I love these. Great lights, good range on them with the 2 single spotties, and then the light bar gives them a good spread. Definitely worth spending the extra money on good lights, as they've already lasted a year now and they'll probably last a fair few years on now. And even went underwater and stuff, still no troubles, didn't even get any inside of them. So definitely worth it. Next up's the most pointless but most entertaining mod would be the air horn, which is great when you get to freak people out, especially when they cut you off. But it definitely takes a bit of work. You got to have an air tank and air compressor, which if you've already got that in there, it's perfect just to hook up. But yeah, definitely worth it if you do go to the effort. So next up's a rooftop tent. It's just so easy to set up and so easy to pack up, especially for overnight trips. We're just setting up for the night and getting up early in the morning. I can get away with the swag, but it's just so much easier and comfortable, especially a bit higher up there. Which I had the King's Quickie pop top tent, which was great and everything, but after a year it sort of deteriorates and gets a lot of cracks in the corners, as they all do. But so you're probably better off spending a little bit extra and getting maybe a nicer one, the next one up or something. But you can get away with it for a while, and they do have warranty. Next up is a tub and canopy setup, which is just set up perfectly with all the kitchen area, the fridge, the toolbox, so you can lock everything up in there. But then you had the canvas canopy, so you could still pile everything up in there and nothing would come out. But then when you wanted to have the sides open, you could just roll them up. Not everyone's into the tub look, but I reckon it looks unique and different, and it worked out perfectly for me because I didn't need the tray with the drop down sides or the width. I just wanted it pretty much just for camping, so I wasn't worried about being able to put anything like extra space or whatever. Bonus round number 6. This is going to come across as very biased because obviously I do make the cup holders, but even before I started making them, when I first got the 75, I just couldn't stand having no cup holders. So straight away I made up a set. And then I thought this would be great. Obviously other people were having the same problem as I did, so I started selling them. But yeah, definitely biased, but they are really great. Definitely make things a lot easier. So if you want to know what I'm talking about and get one for yourself, check out the link below because it does help out the channel a lot. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week for the mods I most regretted.